Hi everyone, I'm back with a highly requested video, my skincare routine. Before going in detail, let me take a disclaimer. I am not an expert in skincare, so if you ask me any skin related questions, I'm really sorry I won't have the correct answer for you. There are experts out there for the best. This is a video I decided to do because of lot of requests from you all. So showing how I take care of my skin. All skin are not the same, so choose what is best for you. Seek help from the skin specialist or others. Now, I was a person with acne problem. My cheeks were completely filled with pimples, painful pimples. This was during my college days. I used to get pimples every month, so I guess you know what I mean. It used to come every month and leave with all the scars on my cheeks. And my skin is still with acne marks. I had used a lot of skin products during my school time. Used to wear makeup those days. So I thought it was the side effects of those products, so I stopped everything completely. Then after my first delivery, acne was more than before. It was so annoying and embarrassing for me. I consulted many skin doctors, that's dermatologists, for curing this. I had medicines to take in, ointments to apply, but those were never a good treatment for my acne. Then I made slight changes to my diet. I started to eat more healthy, added more fruits and vegetables, used to drink more water than earlier, then completely avoided sugar. Then after 1 month, I noticed slight changes. That's how I turned to be more cautious while eating, reduced fried food and so on. But that was not a complete solution for my acne again. It still came every month slightly less than earlier, but it didn't stop. Then later, once my aunt, who is more like an elder sister for me, had the same issues. She told me she had pimples suddenly on the cheekbones and consulted a gynecologist. Only then I understood that rather than skin problems, mine might be more of hormonal issues. So I decided to consult a gynecologist here in Riyadh, and that's how the doctor found out that I was having slight PCOD problem. There was little cysts growing inside, and the doctor said that was the reason for my acne. And I will have to take medicines for 3 months continuously. She said it differs. For some it's facial hair growth, for some it's weight gain. Mine was acne. So like that I had medicines for 3 months continuously, and now it's completely gone and only the marks are remaining. So then she gave me an ointment to add into my moisturizer and mix so that the marks go gradually. I was really surprised of me having PCOD. I have been hearing a lot of PCOD problems these days, and because of that getting pregnant is very difficult. So never expected something like this coming up for me. So what I learned from this is never cure yourself. Always seek help from the experts. You may not know what's inside your body. Pimples may come as side effects of wrong products used on skin, but if it comes every month, consult a gynecologist. She's the best for that. Now that I have acne marks, I thought to have a routine in the morning for my face. So many of you had asked me this, but I didn't want to disclose it until I found out good results from it. I wanted to try it for at least a month and wanted to assure completely before showing you all. Now my routine in the morning is, first I use a homemade scrub with equal amount of sugar and honey. That's almost over, so I'll show you how I make it. In a glass jar, take equal portion of honey and sugar. I'm using 4 tablespoons now. Mix it together. If you're having dry skin, add 1 teaspoon coconut oil or olive oil. This is for removing dead skin from your face. Now firstly what I do is wash my face with plain water. You can wash your face with besan or the ground flour if you wish. I'm just using plain water. Then take a little from the scrub made and apply on the face and scrub lightly. I use my ring finger mostly to apply less pressure on the face. Scrub more where you feel you have dark patches. Do this for a minute, then wash straight away. Wipe your face with a tissue or towel. Then apply a face mask. If you need to make a simple one at home, try this, or if you know a better one, do apply that. In a glass jar, add 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, don't add too much, it may stain your face, and 3 tablespoons of curd. And mix well. After using this, store the remaining in the refrigerator. Then after every 2 days, make a fresh one. Now I had been using this earlier. Recently I bought a new clay mask that's of L'Oreal. I find this good on my skin. Check the one that suits you best, or you can use the homemade one. Apply all over the face. So now it's done. Keep it for 20 minutes for drying, or maximum 25 minutes, not more than that. I usually apply and have a cup of tea while it's drying. Now it's completely dried. Wash it off. Then my aunt gave a good solution for acne scars, that's potato juice. It's been only 2 days I have been using this, yet to know the results, but since we both have the same skin type, trying it out till the result. Here I have taken a small potato, washed it well. I'm not peeling the skin. You can either add it into a mixer grinder and grind, or grate it. Now it's all grated. Now into a bowl, keeping a strainer and squeezing out all the juice from it. Take all the juice from it. Now you can store this liquid in a glass bottle and keep in refrigerator for 2 days and make a fresh one later. Before using, just shake the bottle. Take little onto your palms and apply onto the face. You can use this 3 times in a day, not just once. Now let this dry off. It'll take only 5 minutes. So after drying, into a bowl, add warm water, dip a clean towel and press onto your face, wiping the potato juice. Then apply your moisturizer. Now in this moisturizer, I have already mixed the ointment that my doctor had prescribed. I'm just patting onto my face, not massaging. So yes, that's completing my skincare in the morning. Now let me tell you, this is how I have been doing for a month now and have seen good results. So that's why I'm sharing with you all. This may or may not work for your skin. Check your skin type. I have oily skin, so this helped me a lot. Now for the products that I use while going out. Some products I have recently started to use. Due to acne fear, I never used any makeup, nor even a moisturizer. But since now it's cured, I have started to use some. Now this is my all-time favorite kajal and I have been using this from very long time. Maybelline Colossal Kajal Extra Black. This one I recently bought. It's Rimmel Waterproof Eyeliner. Now this is mascara from Maybelline again. I use it rarely, only during any functions. My lip liner. I don't even know if it's of any brand. I need to change it to a good brand. It would be really helpful if you could suggest a good one in the comment section. My lipstick along with lip gloss, 2-in-1 product from The Wage or whatever, I don't know the pronunciation properly. Recently bought it, very light shade, that's what I prefer, matte finish as per suggested by my friend Samra. Now this is Garnier BB cream that I started using recently. I don't like to add a lot of foundation or any other products on my face, so just opted for a light coverage for my face. I recently bought this and I love it. I use only a drop of it. Now when I had to shoot for my short film, I bought this face powder and you can see it's still with me. I use it very rarely. I use it only during any functions. There's a small brush for it. Along with that, I bought this brush to just get everything blended well onto my face. Now my tiny mirror. Now this is my eyelash curler. I rarely use it, just a little scared for using it. Now this is what I use most of the time, Labello lip balm. I prefer this over the lipstick. I've been using this product for a long time. Now this is a makeup bag I recently bought and I love the color. It's good to carry while traveling. So yes, that's for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Again telling you all, I'm not a skin expert, but I would welcome questions so that anyone who knows the answer could reply. So I suggest any skin experts to comment on the skin related products or issues so that not only me, it would help many others. So see you all with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.